Two of the victims killed during the flooding there in Central Texas are the granddaughters of Miami childhood education advocate David Lawrence Jr. That's according to our news partners over at the Miami Herald. CBS News Miami's Bri Buckley is picking up our team coverage.
Lawrence says that 3 of his grandchildren arrived at Camp Mystic last Sunday. Sadly, only one of them made it out safely after catastrophic flooding overran the summer camp. David Lawrence Jr. is the board chair and founder of the Children's Movement of Florida, advocating for childhood education. He's also a former publisher of the Miami Herald. On Sunday, he told our news partners at the Miami Herald that his 8-year-old twin granddaughters, Hannah and Rebecca, were killed at Camp Mystic when the Guadalupe River swelled with rainwater, flooding the camp. Their 14-year-old sister, Harper, is safe. He says the girls gave their family so much joy that can never be forgotten. Campers from nearby sites sharing what they heard.
I wake up in the morning around 4 a.m. maybe, and I just hear screaming coming out from outside. And then eventually later on I find out that someone's cabin had flooded and they all went outside.
Florida Governor Ron DeSantis announcing on X that Florida will support Texas following the catastrophic flooding in Kerrville and the surrounding areas, directing Florida Division of Emergency Management to deploy 3 swiftwater rescue teams to assist with response and recovery. He goes on to say that they are standing by to lend more help as requested. As Miami-Dade County Mayor Daniela Levine Cava also took to X to say, quote, "Our hearts are with the people of Texas after devastating floods claimed the lives of nearly 70 and dozens are still unaccounted for, including children." As Florida sends crews to support the rescue efforts, Miami-Dade County stands at the ready to send support if needed. In an email sent out, Lawrence says his family needs peace and many prayers during this unimaginable time. Reporting, Bri Buckley, CBS News, Miami.